Illuminiche is revolutionizing custom LED line lighting, offering effortless installation and limitless options for application. Serviceable, site-sizable, warranted, and comes with a patented switch, built-in driver, and transformer, as well as a magnetic coupling system for under-cab lighting and toe kicks, creating seamless precision lighting designed to enhance any space. With 72 LEDs per foot, Illuminiche ensures even, professional-grade and energy-efficient illumination. Available in 2 premium spectrums, 3000K warm white for a cozy, inviting glow, and 4000K natural white for a crisp, balanced ambience. Built for versatility, their steam shower-rated channels come in various lengths, making them the top choice for designers in 2025. Custom Tile Solutions stocks all variations of the Illuminiche products to upgrade your lighting thoughtfully. Shop Illuminiche today and experience the future of illuminated line lighting.